Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to install the workbook add-in. The moment when you click on the provided link, application allows you to download the zip. Once you extracted the files from the zip, you can find these two workbooks. First one represents to macro enabled workbook and second one is add-in workbook. First let us see about macro enabled workbook. This macro enabled workbook consists of different types of charts. In that worksheet we can find the command button. If you click on that command button, it redirects to the video. That video explains how to create provided chart in that worksheet. After that, here we can find add-in workbook. Now let us see how to import the add-in into your workbook. First open a workbook. Next click on developer tab. After that, under the add-in section, click on Excel add-ins. Now add-ins dialog box generates on screen. Click on browse. I placed that add-in on my desktop by creating a folder. Select the workbook add-in. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now workbook add-in imported into this workbook. That add-in consists of a tab which is named as visualization techniques. Here I am creating some data. Now let us see how to create the chart by using this data. Click on single series command button. Select the chart cell. Select the X data header. Select the values header. Next enter the primary axis title. Next enter the category axis title. Next I am entering the chart title. Next I am providing the chart name. Now I created the chart successfully by using this add-in. Hope this add-in is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.